Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, I have a new product to me and maybe a new product to you. I was contacted by the Wiskf team and what they are like bags, like shopping bags or tote bags or pack bags. All kinds of bags. I mean, they've got just hundreds of bags in all styles and fashions, and they contacted me to see if I would bring them to my channel and show them to you. They are all almost $5.99 each. Some of them are a little more, and we'll have an example of one of those, and I will have all the links and information, and they have also given me a code for you so that you could get a discount if you decide you want to order a tote bag. And if I haven't welcomed all my subscriber friends, well, welcome. I am so glad to have you here, and I hope that you find the bags that I chose to be very interesting, and perhaps you'll want one for yourself, because like I said, you can shop with them, you can tote just about anything in them. If you need to store things around the house, like roll up a few towels or blankets or something, you could set them down in there. They are very useful. They came in this bag here, and we're going to open it up and see what I chose. Now, they let me choose 4 different bags, and I chose 3 tote bags that are probably like a regular type tote, and I chose 1 bag that is a little bit bigger, I think, and different than the others, and very cute. So let me get them out of here. I want to thank the Wiskf team for contacting me and giving me this opportunity to bring a little PR to you guys and something new that you might not know about. So let's see what I have here. I was able to pick out 4 different bags, and I'm just going to grab them in no particular order. I'm going to pick out one. This one looks like it's got some blue on it, and these bags are like $5.99. And I'll have links for each one. This is made of canvas, and oh, it's so cute. Oh my goodness, it's a puppy dog. It's a Jack Russell. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? Oh my goodness, my little puppy dog owners would love this. It looks like it's a pair of jeans, and they're looking through the hole of a cutout knee probably. Oh my goodness, that's adorable. It's on both sides. Isn't that just adorable? Oh my goodness, I hope y'all can get a good look at that. It is so cute. $5.99. And I want you to see it's stitched well on the inside. And then our straps are made of canvas as well, and they're a very sturdy canvas, and they're double stitched. And it's a good size bag, as you can see. Oh, that's really cute. That's just adorable. I love that. Oh, it's going to be hard to pick a favorite out of just these 4. The next one I'm picking out looks like it had some sunflowers on it. I just picked a variety so you could get a general idea of what they have. And this is out of their most popular. So this is a canvas tote that is one of their most popular. And I can see why. It's sunflowers on both sides. And again, you've got your canvas handles. And they're easy to fold up. Like if you're going to go shopping, or you don't know if you're shopping and you just want to keep some totes in the car or the truck, this is perfect. You just unfold them, and they're a good size tote. A lot of the grocery stores are starting to get where you have to bring a bag or you have to buy your bags while you're there. It's just, I don't know, it's getting ridiculous. But again, this is stitched, double stitched on the inside. This is double stitched with the handles, and it's very sturdy. Can you hear that? Yeah, it's very sturdy canvas. That's just really cute. Oh my goodness, what do y'all think? Now the next one is very special to me and my granddaughter. And I'm going to get it out of the package here. This one is a little bit different, and I'm going to look on the site real quick. I'm not sure if it's $5.99 too or not. Now this one here is a little bit more, and you'll probably see why when I show it to you. But this one here is made of different fabric on the front. It's really soft, and it's got a different type of fabric on the back. But this here is another tote Look at this, guys. It's Paris. Isn't that cute? My granddaughter, Allie, loves everything about Paris. And when I saw this, I just thought I have to get it. Now, this is a kind of tote. The other ones were open. This is a zipper closure. So you can unzip it. And on the inside, it is lined with a vinyl lining. So if you had anything wet or even like some cool drinks in there, they would stay a little insulated. So it's like an insulated bag for $8.99. So this one's a little bit more. The fabric feels like a satiny type fabric on front. You've got your roses on there, or peonies. Those may be peonies. And then on the back side, it's gray. And I would have to say this is just a real nice canvas, but it's softer. It's different than this canvas. It's a little bit more, I guess you'd say, upscale, to go with the Paris bag on front. And then you've got your handles, and once again it's all designed real well on the inside, and you even have a zipper pocket on the inside of this. So like I said, it's just a little bit more heavy duty and just more upscale. If you want something a little bit more personable, if you're having a special occasion, or you're going to Paris, or you just like things that say Paris on it, that'd be perfect. And that was $8.99. And then the last one I got would be like something if you were maybe having a special occasion. I know they had some like if you were having weddings and you wanted to have a bag full of goodies for your bridesmaids. They've got different styles that you could choose from, but I chose this one. And you can use this for any kind of tote, but it's just got a big pair of black lips on there, and I just thought it was a statement piece. So I went with that. You've got your little ribbon that's on the side for a little bit of decoration. These handles are a little bit more like roped handles, and this is a larger tote. So like when we open this up, it's going to be really big. And so this tote would be great for going to the beach even, because it's a nice thick canvas tote. It's got the black handles, it's roped handles. It also has the zipper enclosure, little, for your trinket things, or if you've got keys or something that you don't want to get lost down in the bottom. But this would just make an adorable tote. And if you're going on a little vacation, or if you're with the girls, or even if you're on a romantic weekend with your hubby or your boyfriend, this could be a nice little tote to have. Now this tote runs $12.99, I believe. So like I said, some of these are a little bit more than the other. And yeah, these are $12.99. They have all different kinds of choices as far as the design. They had like a zebra print. Can't even remember everything. They had so many different designs, but I liked this because it was just unique and different. And I thought just really cute and made a cute statement. It's just plain on the other side. It's black here. So it is black and white. And it is just a statement piece for a bag, I think. And that was my Wiskf. And I don't know if I could pick a favorite because, I liked all of them. That's why I picked them out. We had the sunflower. And they fold up really easily, especially these. The $5.99 bags fold up real easy. And then we had our Jack Russell. And guys, if you have Dachshunds, you got Chihuahuas, you got Pomeranians, they had all kinds of bags for your animals. So it's not limited to Jack Russells. There's hundreds on there. So you have to go to the site. I've got that link down in the bottom. I've also got the links to each of these in my description if you want to go directly to one of these bags. I also was given a 5% discount by the company, and the discount that they gave me is, I'll have it down in the description, but it's Olena05 off. So it's a 5% discount on your total order, and it's Olena05 off. And I will have that down in the description. I'll probably pop it up there in the screen. You can go directly to the links down there, and if you decide to get anything, that'd be great. Now this is just a PR. I'm just showing it to you, and I did it as a review for the company. So it was sent to me for free, and I'm not like an official affiliate or anything. They gave me a code to share with you because they sent me some free items to show to you. And I think the bags are just great, and they're good quality, and it's something that's usable, and they're so easy to pack and store if you want to take, like you're going on vacation and you might go shopping while you're out on vacation and you might bring some stuff back and you need an extra bag. They'll just fit really flat and nice in your suitcase. And or like I said, just keep a couple in your car. $5.99, $8.99, $12.99 were my prices. And you can save 5% on any of those if you're interested by using the code that they provided. Well, guys, that's all I have. Did you like them? Do you have a favorite? I don't know if I can pick a favorite. I mean, I love Jack Russell's, obviously. Miss Jackie Russell. That's how I got my name. And I love sunflowers. I love flowers, and I love Paris, and so does my granddaughter. And then I love this bag. I mean, who didn't like a big pair of lips, right? But guys, that's all I have today. And I want to thank Wiskf for contacting me and sending these free for review. I appreciate you. And I really love going on your site and seeing all the things that you had. And I think each and every one of you will too. So if you're needing a tote, be sure and go check it out. As for today and the Wiskf, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.